Dinner.
Mites appear to have abandoned this area.
Yeah, the
Dinner.
mites are real tricky that way. All right, let's get this over with. Where are we going?
Well,
I'd go that way, but that's just me.
Oh,
well,
Quark. Why can't you just leave us alone?
well,
Look, I can you. I've been here before.
well. Do you know where we should take this object?
No. But what's in it for me?
You want to find your family, right?
No.
You want to find your
Dinner.
right?
No!
Your spaghetti, right? Well, if you tell us where to go, you can stay here and use our computer to research your family history.
Ooh, great idea. I'll do it.
Quark, where do we take the... Quark?
Try that big building. For some reason, the good stuff is always in the biggest buildings.
And now, Quark. Beautiful. Those cameras just keep coming. What should we do?
Just them. They are probably an automatic security system.
All right, let's keep moving. They blow up real good, though.
You2 poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Whoa! Hang on there. Now be careful with that. Whew, that was a close one. Now, let me have that water pistol, little fella.
Die.
It works! I finally perfected my dramatic!
Dramatic, you say? How does it work?
By mimic plants, you can make them you. Then, by using it to water electrosoil, the plant will hop in and transform itself into a whatever you need.
Did you hear that, Ratchet?
No.
Great.
Since you helped with the final test, I will give you this prototype to yourselves.
Die.
Yeah. Great. It's locked. Well, looks like we'll never what that weird doohickey is. Come on, let's go.
I am able to squeeze through this crevice. Wait here, and I will unlock it from the inside.
All right. Just don't take all day.
Ratchet. Ratchet.
How do we know this whole place won't explode when you put that on there?
We do not.
See? I told you. Big waste of time. This is so cool. What do you think it is?
It is a
Dinner.
Mite map room. They built these rooms to keep track of the planets they inhabited. This one is
The Mushroom Kingdom.
Hey, that's where that robot soldier said he was taking the girl.
exactly. And here are its coordinates. I have never seen these coordinates on any other maps.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go her.